of a drawing has led you here today.
And we're launching, and we're crashing. Let's hit the pigs till they all go down with the best birds. If you take my words, we're never gonna stop. Every female level, we will be they're pretty fly, bunch of touch the screen, the birthday Christmas or Halloween, they're always gonna switch to a different theme. They're definitely making up the greatest team. Got that slingshot and pull it back. Aim for the right spot, then attack. You took our eggs, that was whacking. If you do it again, we're coming back. But sometimes you pigs just won't go. Always get them to stop, cause they will overflow. Say goodbye. Stop your laughing and stop your slowing. So we don't have and we're launching, let's get a little behind, then let's go through all the words. The red bird, the first one to read, the first bird to tweet, and the first to feed. Watch the bird feed, even though it's petite, it is elite. It's a basic bird who's not going on third. Doesn't have a power, ain't that absurd? But still the red one to be lots of fun. So the game is fun, the pigs are done. The sky is blue. How did they hear? Is my vision blurred? What's that I see? Looks like that bird just became free. Yeah, that's right, cause blue came to fight. Bringing on the class and breaking on the glass. The gas don't need a pass. Even the last, you can call them as birds. So don't forget it, say I heard you. The best and the baddest birds will never lie. There is no way those birds will survive. And we're launching, we're crashing. Let's hit the pigs till they all go top. We're the best birds, but we're angry. Human level, we will get these stars and set you straight. Maybe find a golden egg and win until the next update. So the next fellow makes pigs get messy after getting tap for the speed of light. This chick's angry, not polite. Don't bite if you're looking for a blast. Take this rope, there's a bird that's black. Like the smoke, the coke and the fish away. Help us get back the egg. Old and black to white. This bird is dropping one last egg right on top, and I really don't get why they don't go. If you want them back, why let them go? Always wants to end, cause it was one of the last ones that was in the gang. Oh no, too far, this bird has rang. But it's coming right back, boomerang. The last bird's ready, stretch it out. There's an egg face that makes you shout. Breaking everything that is in its route. They smell the green pig snout. And we're launching, and we're crashing. Let's hit the pigs. We're the best birds, but we're angry. If you take our eggs, we're never gonna stop.